Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore Thailand by boat? Picture this: the gentle lapping of waves, the warmth of the Thai sun on your skin, and the serene tranquility of floating along Thailand's picturesque waterways. This is the unique perspective that a boat tour offers. Thailand's boat tours are not just about the journey, but also about the destination. They grant you access to hidden gems and secluded spots that are otherwise inaccessible. You'll experience the vibrant life along the riverbanks, the stunning coastal landscapes, and the lush green islands that dot the Azure Sea. In this video, we'll give you a sneak peek into 5 of the best boat tours in Thailand. From the ethereal beauty of the Sunrise Tour to the romantic allure of the Moonlight Tour, each offers a unique experience that captures a different facet of Thailand's natural beauty and cultural richness. Ready to embark on this exhilarating journey? Let's delve into each tour one by one. Our first tour starts early, as the sun wakes up to grace Thailand with its warm embrace. This is the Sunrise Tour, an experience that begins at the break of dawn. Imagine floating on calm waters, serenaded by the soft chirping of birds, as the sky blushes with the first hues of daylight. You will be treated to a unique spectacle of the sun rising over the Thai landscape, an image that will surely engrave itself in your memory. The tour includes a delightful breakfast on board, while a knowledgeable guide will share intriguing stories and facts about the local culture and surroundings. To reach the starting point, a variety of transport options are available, including taxis, buses, or even a leisurely bike ride for the more adventurous. The best time to embark on this tour is during the dry season, from November to April, when the mornings are cool and the seas tranquil. A morning tour like this sets a serene tone for the rest of the day. Our next tour takes us hopping between Thailand's breathtaking islands. The Island Hopper Tour is a sun-soaked journey that typically kicks off mid-morning, giving you plenty of time to catch your breath after the Sunrise Tour. Expect a day filled with exploration and adventure as you visit various islands, each with its unique charm. Don't forget to pack your swimwear, as snorkeling is a major highlight of this tour. Marvel at the vibrant marine life as you immerse yourself in the warm, azure waters. Included in your tour package are a delectable lunch, a knowledgeable guide, and top-notch snorkeling gear. To get to the tour starting point, you have a variety of transport options, including taxis and tuk-tuks. The best time to embark on this tour is during the dry season, from November to April, when the seas are calm and clear. An island-hopping adventure that will leave you with unforgettable memories. Our sunset tour offers a mesmerizing experience. The tour commences in the late afternoon, just as the sun begins its descent, painting the sky with hues of gold and amber. You can expect captivating sunset views that are truly a feast for the eyes, coupled with a cool, serene breeze that adds a touch of tranquility to the entire scene. The tour includes refreshing drinks to keep you hydrated and a knowledgeable guide to enrich your journey with interesting facts and stories about Thailand's vibrant culture and history. To reach the starting point, numerous transport options are available, including taxis, tuk-tuks, or even a leisurely walk if you're staying nearby. The best time to take this tour? Well, any time really, because every sunset in Thailand has its own unique charm. However, the dry season, from November to April, offers the clearest skies and most vibrant colors. The sunset tour, a perfect way to end a day in Thailand. When darkness falls, the Moonlight Tour reveals a different face of Thailand. This tour is a nocturnal adventure that begins as twilight descends. As the sun sets, you embark on a journey illuminated by the moon and stars. The nighttime views of Thailand's coastal landscapes are nothing short of mesmerizing. You'll be enchanted by the silhouettes of limestone cliffs against the moonlit sky and the twinkling lights of distant villages. Included in this experience is a sumptuous dinner served on board, allowing you to savor traditional Thai cuisine while soaking in the serene views. You'll also have a knowledgeable guide who will share fascinating tales and legends of the land under the stars. To embark on this magical journey, reach the departure point by taking a local taxi from the nearest city center. The best time to experience the Moonlight Tour is during the dry season, from November to April, when the skies are clear. The Moonlight Tour, an enchanting experience under the starlit sky. There you have it, 5 amazing ways to experience Thailand by boat. Each tour offers its own unique charm and experiences. The Sunrise Tour, with its early morning start, promises the most serene and tranquil moments as you witness the daybreak over the Thai landscape. The Island Hopper Tour, on the other hand, is a day-long adventure filled with island exploration and an opportunity to dive into Thailand's rich marine life. Then, we have the Sunset Tour, a romantic escapade that offers the chance to witness the sun setting over the horizon, painting the sky with hues of red and orange. And finally, the Moonlight Tour, a magical nighttime journey under the starlit sky, surrounded by the soothing sounds of the ocean. So, whether you're a morning person or a night owl, a nature enthusiast or a romantic soul, there's a boat tour waiting for you in Thailand. Exploring Thailand by boat offers a unique perspective, one that promises adventure, beauty, and unforgettable memories.